Hello guys, I hope you are doing great. As most of the students are preparing themselves for this upcoming examination of CMA Inter and Final in this July 2023. So to help your preparation, Institute has issued this MQP model questions paper for this Inter and Final both the levels for this latest syllabus 2022. General Institute gives both the sets. Right now set 1 is being released, set 2 will be released soon. What you have to do, you have to go through this set properly for all the 8 paper. If you're giving both the groups, if you're giving anyone, then go with all 4 papers. What you have to do, you have to take the print, properly sit and write down. You have to do your writing practice with this model question paper. This will help you in analyzing your preparation, how much you are done, how much yet to be done, correctly are you able to write down properly or not, whether your answer is coming with the technical words, is it satisfying the suggested answers given by the institute. So this is the best tool to revise and evaluate your performance. What you have to do, example, let's say I'm going in the cost accounting paper, it's the set 1, it's given for the entire 100 marks. All the entire examination paper is as per the institute standard, which is generally asked in the examination itself. So it's the same MCQ pattern, then the true or false, then the fill in the blanks, and then the normal question. So the entire question paper is drafted with the coverage of all the respective chapters. So this is the best way to revise, and you will be able to write down properly and how we can help you in this preparation. So I'll request you to please complete this set 1, set 2 properly and to revise properly, to boost your confidence and to get the best revision and marathon classes. We are here to help you out. Unique Ambitious Commerce Academy is coming with the best revision practice, best revision and marathon series for this July 2023 examination. We are going to start our revision series from 1st June 2023. Now the examination are postponed. It will be starting from 15 July, sorry. Earlier it was from first week of July, means 1st July. Now it is postponed by 2 weeks. So now we can definitely utilize this moment, this time. So we will be starting with detailed revision of CMA Inter Group 1. Group 1 will be starting from 1st June. This examination, this revision will cover all the detailed chapter revision, entire evaluation. We will be taking your free mock test. We will be taking the revision of the past test, back papers, means the previous year papers, MQP of past years. Every single thing will be covered in this revision series, and we will be having mini marathon series and final marathon. Final marathon means 1 day, 1 or 2 day, we will cover the entire syllabus of the particular subject. This way we will be doing the CMA Inter Group 1 revision, detailed revision it will happen. So what you have to do, just join this WhatsApp community link which is given in this description, and you will be definitely enjoying our revision sessions. All the detailed schedule and the upcoming details about the match, marathon details, mock test will be given in the group. I hope this was beneficial. Thank you so much.